This video is a step-by-step guide for programmers to understand the project so they can deploy the solution to any museum interested in hiring them. Before starting, you need a device with LiDAR technology because it's required to scan the museum areas for use with the space tracking providers this solution supports. This video is aimed at professionals. You need to be proficient in general programming, but especially in Unity. Other languages, such as PHP or Python, aren't as critical as knowing Unity, and you should pick them up easily if you have a solid general programming background. Use AI to clear up any questions, especially when working on the backend endpoints, where configuration and testing can be hard to debug. Once you're fully familiar with the project, you should be able to deliver a solution to a museum in about 4 weeks, or less, if the museum doesn't require any application redesign. This video has 2 sections. 1. Steps to run the project locally. We'll go through the essential steps to get the project up and running locally. I understand that some of you might be eager to see the system running before I explain how the project is structured. 2. Code section. We'll describe the contents of the project. The front end, the script architecture of the Unity project. The back end, the script architecture of the database backend and the AI backend. Administration, the administration page used to analyze the collected data. Instead of cloning the project, we're going to download it. Downloading, rather than cloning, keeps the process simpler for you. I've decided to keep everything in a single repository, rather than splitting the different systems into multiple repositories with independent libraries. What you get is a snapshot of my development structure. Whenever I make a major update, I release it as a new snapshot, which will be incompatible with previous ones. Any programmer interested in the project takes a snapshot and makes it their own. The project contains only the files created specifically for it, which are released under the MIT license. You won't find a full Unity project ready to build. It's up to you to create an empty project and copy the downloaded folder into the assets folder. External libraries are not included, and it's up to you to import them. The AR providers, Vuforia, Max ST, Photon or Mirror for networking, and others.